Alright, so just to show you what I'm working with here, basically this is the window. On the other side of this window, over here on the inside of that office, there's data ports just over there. So I figured I'd run the cable from that data port, drill a hole here, down here, and then run that cable into this conduit. Conduit coming up here, about 7 feet or so, right up there, right into the camera, okay, on this pillar. So as you can see, this pillar is quite deep. It's about 4 feet deep to the wall. That's why I can't just drill through, all the way through to the wall and then do it through the drop ceiling somehow, okay? And then this goes up. And like I said, since we want it low for the license plates, it makes it a lot easier. And we're just going to basically zoom in, so it's kind of going to be like this. Zoomed in just about like that. We don't really care about anything else except what's coming in and out of that little area. And that's it. So that's why we have it low. Because we have another camera up there that's watching the whole, that's a 180 degree panorama camera that's watching the whole parking lot. And like I said, it's all gated and locked after hours. We close at 5 o'clock, so. But anyways, so to pull back here, show you more of what we're dealing with. That's it there. So that's why I figured just run it through from the office, put it in the conduit, just like that. Yeah, it's not pretty, but figured even if I come through up there, up here, I'm gonna have to run conduit down and then to the bracket for the camera. So either way, there's gonna be conduit. But since it's kind of recessed back there, it's looks all right. Our customers don't even come in this way anyways. This is all just for the employees, this whole area. Our customers come in on the Will side over there, over on this side by the alley. So yeah, that's it.